Hey guys, Dr. Michael Derry here today. So I'm an orthopedic clinical specialist. I'm a physical therapist and I treat lower back pain, stiffness, achiness all the time. Pain sometimes is stiffness and achiness, and it's a pain, have to live with it their entire day. And so when I treat people, they're often like, oh man, I do this stretch and I do this mobility work to improve their discomfort. And it's not the stretch that they get wrong. It's that one little piece that they're missing. And I want to go over that one little piece with you today. Okay, so let's use the example of cat camel or cat cow. Everybody's heard of this to improve their back stiffness and achiness, and it's a good fundamental exercise of working into flexion of your back and extension of your back. And so your back is definitely made to do that. And when I'm working with people to improve their stiffness and achiness, that is a hardcore range of motion that we want to focus on. We are meant to bend over and extend backwards. We want to regain that range of motion. And I don't care if you've had surgery, I don't care if you have a hip replacement, I don't care if you have arthritis and degeneration. Like, the goal is to regain mobility. In order to do that, we have to use some of these stretches to get there. But the one thing that people miss is that when I talk with them and they're going through the stretch, I'm like, all right, show me what you're doing. They're coming here and they're doing this and they're hanging out, or they're doing this and they're hanging out. Guys, let me tell you, your joints in your back and your muscles respond to movement. Don't you dare go in and hold that position and your back is uncomfortable, because your back will tell you it does not like that. What you want to try is moving into the range and you're pulsing into those end ranges. So here, all the way, here, all the way, here, all the way, here, all the way. And when I say all the way, I'm going into that restriction. And so if I feel that I'm uncomfortable when I pull my pelvis underneath, then I'm going to avoid that end range. But if the end range of poking your butt out hurts, then avoid that end range at first. But as you continue, I've seen it time and time again that people are amazed that they can regain that range of motion so quickly, and it can feel so well, when for the longest time, whatever stretch they're doing, hamstring stretch, upper back stretch, glute stretch, they're going through and holding it. Let me tell you, the game changer is pulsing it. Let me show you in the prayer stretch here. So stick your butt out, sit your butt down towards your heels. A lot of people want to go there and hold, but come right back up into that range and sit back down. Right back up and sit back down. If you guys need a modification for this because your knees hurt or something, just let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll give you one, okay? So sit your butt down, come back up. Sit your butt down, come back up. Butt down, come back up. Butt down, come back up. I hope you guys are seeing a trend here. So the one thing that I see people do and do wrong, it's not the fact that they have the wrong stretch, it's how they're doing it. And 9 times out of 10, it doesn't matter what you do, it's how you do it. And as physical therapists and other movement professionals out there, we really dial in how you're doing something so you can improve your individual body. So how you do it is important. When you move forward with your stretching, I don't care what you're doing, but just try pulsing into that range and listening to your body along the way. That's the one thing I see people do wrong, and that can really change the momentum of your recovery and help give your back that little extra push to get you over that edge. Whew. Guys, if you like what I'm putting out there and that worked well for you, leave some comments underneath the description. If you guys want to show some love to the channel, that'd be great too. But as always, guys, stay healthy, keep moving, and take care of yourself.